So over here, you can see that I got 4 objects right here, but they are not distributed equally. In order to distribute them, you can right click over here and then you can go to distribute option right here. And here you can see horizontally or vertically is an option. So if I were to click on horizontally right here, now what happens is that it takes the leftmost object and the rightmost object right here and then distributes it equally, as you can see right here. You can also distribute things vertically if you want to. So let me just go around right here and place out these objects right here, just like this. So let's say I want to distribute this vertically right here. So in that case, I can select out everything right here, and then I can go around over here into arrange, into distribute right here and select vertically. And now you can see that they have been vertically distributed with equal space. So that is how you can just go around and distribute out the items right here, as you can see. So now what you can do is use a combination of alignment right here. So you can align it to the rightmost area, then you can go around over here and align it vertically, just like this over here. So that is how you can utilize the distribution option inside of Google Drawings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.